Okay, so let's talk about Kaspa, and more importantly, let's talk about what's happening with the price right now. Now, at the time I'm recording this, Kaspa is trading at around about 0.068. My personal average buy price is just under 10 cents. So yeah, I'm currently down. And if you bought anywhere near the recent highs, then you're probably down too. But here's the thing, I'm not panicking, I'm not selling. In fact, I'm seriously thinking about buying some more Kaspa, and I want to explain exactly why that is. So first, let's put this into context. It's not just Kaspa that's in the red. Everything is down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, meme coins, right across the board. And it's been a rough few weeks. And when the entire market dips, even the strongest projects take a hit. And that's just how it goes in crypto. But dips aren't always bad. In fact, for people with conviction, dips are where the real opportunities live. It's where strong hands get rewarded and weak hands usually miss out. Now, if you've been watching the market for a while, you've seen this cycle play out time and time again. So let's ask the big questions. Has anything fundamentally changed with Kaspa? And the answer to that is, as far as I can see, no, nothing's fundamentally changed. Kaspa's still this revolutionary block DAG structure using Ghost DAG. It still relies on real proof of work security. The network is now capable of processing 10 blocks per second thanks to recent block DAG upgrades. There was no pre-mine, no venture capital control, and no insiders calling the shots. Kaspa still has one of the most passionate organic grassroots communities in all of crypto. So all of that's still intact. The price, yeah, well, that's just short-term noise, especially in a market like where we currently are, where emotion often outweighs logic and sentiment changes in a heartbeat. So here's how I look at it. If I believed in Kaspa at 10 cents, why wouldn't I believe in it at 7 cents? That doesn't mean that you should throw caution to the wind or go all in without thinking. It means zooming out, taking a breath, and looking at the bigger picture. Are the fundamentals still strong? Are we still early? For Kaspa, I believe the answer to both of those questions is yes. Mass awareness still hasn't arrived. Major listings are still in the pipeline. Smart contract functionality is coming. Developers are actively building. The community is growing, and every week the technology behind Kaspa just gets stronger and stronger. This price drop isn't a reason to exit. It's a reason to evaluate your strategy. So should you buy more, hold what you have, or get out? Well, let's take a look at those one by one. So firstly, let's look at buying more. Now, if you've done your research and believe in the long-term vision of Kaspa, then buying more at a lower price might make sense. It's what I'm personally considering. Dollar cost averaging can help smooth out your overall entry price and position you better for future gains. But remember, only invest what you're willing to hold through the inevitable volatility. Holding. So for many, holding is the smartest move. If you believed in Kaspa enough to buy in before and nothing fundamental has changed, then holding through these red candles is often how the biggest gains are made. Timing the market perfectly is almost impossible, but time in the market, especially in crypto, is often where the magic happens. And finally, let's look at getting out. Look, if you're down 20 or 30%, selling now probably just locks in those losses. Unless something drastic has changed with the project itself, panic selling is usually the worst possible move. It's emotional, not strategic. If you got in purely for a quick flip, then yes, you may feel disappointed, but if you saw potential in Kaspa's technology and mission, now is the time to remember exactly why you got in to begin with. Crypto isn't easy. It's volatile, it's emotional, and it's full of noise, but every cycle we see the same pattern. Those who stay calm, stay focused, and stick to strong fundamentals, those are the ones who come out well ahead. So no, I'm not worried about this dip. If anything, I'm more confident in Kaspa now that I was in at 10 cents because I'm not here for a quick pump. I'm here for the long game. I'm here for the development, for the tech, and for what this project represents. Now, if you're watching this, then maybe you are too. Let me know in the comments. Are you holding? Are you buying? Or are you just sitting this one out? And if you want more Kaspa content, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Stay strong, stay smart, and as always, let's keep building together.